For this video, I am going to teach you how to add a new CNAME record to your hosting or domain. The first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your account. Just go to hostinger.com and then just log into your credentials, use your email and then your password. So once you have logged in, just go into the editing page or managing page of your domain. So from the domain overview, go to the DNS/name servers and then you'll be able to go into your DNS zone editor. So right here, you'll see a list of your current DNS records. And to add a new CNAME record, what you need to do is to simply go into the section under Manage DNS Records. So on this field, you just need to fill those in. So for the type field, what you need to do from the drop-down menu is to select CNAME and then just fill in the name. So for this one, usually for the CNAME, we use www right here. And now for the or for the target field, what you need to do right here is enter the domain name to which you want to point the domain. So before we go into the target, again, I'm just going to explain first what is the name if you don't know. So in the name field, just enter the subdomain for which you want to create the CNAME record. So now, for example, if you want to create a CNAME record for your blog .yourdomain.com. So just enter the blog portion or the blog part of that value. So this part specifies which subdomain you are pointing. And now let us continue with the target. So in the points to or the target field, enter the domain name to which your domain or which you want to point the domain. So for example, again, if you are pointing to blog.yourdomain.com, to ghs.googlehosted.com for setting up Google services, just enter the ghs.googlehosted.com. So just make sure that you are going to copy or make sure to copy and paste this value exactly as you provided or as provided by the service you are using, including the trailing dot if specified. And now for the TTL. So TTL determines how long the record is cached by DNS servers before refreshing it. So the default right here is 14,400. So if you are not sure, you can just leave this value as is. However, you can choose to decrease it if you want to, or if you want changes to propagate faster or increase it for more stable caching. So now once you've filled in all of the details right here or all of the fields, name, the target, the TTL, click on to the add record button right here. So your new CNAME will now be added to the list of your DNS records for your domain. So that's basically it for this video. That is how you can add CNAME record in your DNS or on your hosting or domain. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.